Hey, we've got this one to Sandblast from there, underneath and down the other side. I'm going to be taking this back to bare metal. There might be some mill scale left on it, but that mill scale. I'm going to etch it up anyway, so it'll be ready for paint. But yeah, we're going to sandblast this back ready for paint today. So it's getting 2-pack epoxied underneath. What happens with these, because these have been bolted down now, because obviously they float. Excuse me, these end up floating off if they're not bolted down. So while they're bolted down, what they're going to do is I'm going to blast up to them, do all the areas where I can get to. They paint it, then they float the boat, like literally only just put enough water in just so it floats, and then they just move boat back probably 6 inch or whatever, 8 inch or whatever they are, maybe just a little bit more, and then they grind them areas and then paint them. So yeah, it does all get done, but I don't get well, I don't show it because I'm not going to be here to do. He's not going to call me back just to do them strips. It's pointless. So I'll just hit bulk on it now and save them a lot of work. So right, let's make a start. that one done. Oh. I don't think this camera's going to pick that up. It's not very bright. Oh, it's a fly. Like I've got to miss them, but it's not. It's a fly. Do a quick walk around for you. Yeah, this grey stuff here, I've explained it before, it's mill scale. It's been broke through. Etched up for paint now, that, perfect. It's got a lot of pitting on it. They're probably going to get welded in, and he might find some at deep areas and just fill them, I don't know. Or this might get a survey and find out what's up with it, if it needs it or not. A lot of dust on it. Oh, forgot that it's filming. Can't even see it. That base plate's come up a lot cleaner than what sides is, because there's no, well, I don't think it's ever been painted, so all mill scales come off at underside. Probably the shite though. Nope, can't see. Oh shit, I've got a crawl on the floor now. If you like that video, do us a favour, stick a thumbs up on it, and we'll catch you on next one.